Hey, hi there. Hey, look what we got. We got our pistons. Pistons are in for the 371. What's that? You never heard of a 371? Let's go to the videotape.
They're making contact. Good. It's Oldsmobile's new J2 rocket, most exciting new engine on the road. With a completely new fueling system, the J2 rocket is like two engines in one. Two-stage rocket action gives you more economy when you want it, more power when you need it. And here's the J2 rocket in person, a mighty impressive-looking engine. You see, the J2's new fueling system has 3 carburetors, not just 1 or 2. For cruising, you use only this center one, and that means real economy. But for extra performance, you press the accelerator past the 3/4 mark, and all 3 carburetors rocket into action instantly, automatically. So if you've been looking for more economy when you want it, more power when you need it, I'm sure you'll want to try Oldsmobile's new J2 rocket engine.
So with a limited run of only 2 years, they made the 371 in 1957, 1958. Makes the motor, it's nostalgic, obviously. Hard to find parts for the motor, and me personally, anybody can stick a 350 Chevy in a hot rod, but something that's going to be a little more nostalgic and have the coolness factor. You know, it's not going in this isn't a gasser, this isn't a high performance vehicle. It's going to be a cruiser. So stay tuned. We're getting the motor back from the machine shop real soon. I plan on livening up the motor. We're changing the cam, put a little more aggressive cam in it. So this motor is going to be really snazzy when it gets back in. Please like and subscribe, and we have a lot of stuff coming up. Just need time. Time is the issue. Thanks for stopping by. To have a motor like a 371 that's just super nostalgic is just really cool.